There are many marketing automation tools out there, but not all tools are for all companies. Like I said in my previous video, having a goal with your marketing automation project enables you to choose the right marketing automation tool for your company size. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Portia. I'm a marketing automation graduate with a passion for digital creation, living in Stockholm, Sweden. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 2 marketing automation tools that I'm used to, which you as a startup can also use. Now, you're probably wondering, which are these 2 tools? Well, they are MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. They have their pros and cons, which I'm gonna share with you now. So, what are the pros for ActiveCampaign? It's user-friendly for beginners to create and monitor campaigns, automations, and workflows. You can easily design your newsletters with the drag and drop function this tool offers. It is affordable for small business, and the last on my list is the email sign-up process is very easy. And now to the cons. The reporting is quite crowded and can be difficult to navigate sometimes. And you also have to build everything from scratch. Let's go to MailChimp. Before starting with this tool, I had no idea how it worked. But when I started using it, I realized how easy it was to use, even though I didn't have any experience from before. My pros with MailChimp are: it's easy to use. They offer free plan with which you can send up to 10,000 emails per month to 2,000 subscribers. It's easy to create segmentations, different email sequence such as welcome email, and also it's easy to analyze and track the report of your emails. Now to the cons. The sign up process is kind of complicated. That was all for me today. If you want to learn more about these tools, you should do your research. You have Google, you have YouTube, you name it. And if you like content like this, subscribe to my channel for more. See you next time. Have a nice day.